So guys, if you are also facing the issue of Snapchat 72 hours restriction whenever you're going to delete your Snapchat account, then friends, in today's video I will tell you how can you fix this issue and delete your Snapchat account. So guys, if you face this kind of issue, then make sure you need to delete your Snapchat account from that device where you already using your account. Because friend, if you face this kind of issue, then that means you are using that device for deleting your Snapchat account where you are not using your that account. So for example, if you want to fix this issue, and friends, in the browser simply search Snapchat account and then tap on the first website, and here you will see this kind of page. Simply log in your Snapchat account which you want to delete and where you are facing the issue. So as you log in, you will see this kind of page. So if you want to delete your Snapchat account, then scroll down your page and tap on the delete my account option. So as you tap on this page, you will see this kind of new page. Here you can see, friend, here there is no option of 72 hours restriction issue. So guys, if you follow these steps, you can easily fix 72 hours restriction. So if you want to delete your Snapchat account, simply fill your password and then tap on the continue option. Your account will be deleted. And friends, if you have any question or doubt, please ask me in the comments, and please like this video and subscribe to our channel.